Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video we have this double padlock. It's made out of brass and it's very well chrome plated. The shackle is made out of steel, soft steel, but it's not a huge problem because it's a closed shackle padlock, and when you lock it, it's not so exposed to cutting, and because of that the lock is pretty good and pretty well made. Tolerances are not perfect but not bad either. But the problem with this lock is that it doesn't have security pins inside, and because of that it makes it pretty weak lock. Though it's well made, it's not secured enough. Here is the bitting. Many bittings are like this one. I will show you exact bitting. Nothing special. Many units have such bittings, pretty bad bittings, and we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open. I'm going to use this tension wrench, but no, this tension wrench won't fit. We're gonna search for something better. The lock is new, and because of that it's not susceptible to all of the tension wrenches. They don't fit like in case of used locks, really used locks. And we're gonna try to rake it first, because it doesn't have security pins. We have this rake, and let's see what's gonna happen. We're going up and down, and we got it open. So, as you saw, the weakest point of the lock is in the pins. Standard pins don't provide much security. Not in all cases, but in many cases. If a lock doesn't contain security pins, it's very easy to pick open. No matter the enclosed shackle, perfectly made body, perfect tolerances, or good enough tolerances, ball bearings, it all doesn't matter because you have weak core. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.